If the moon were to suddenly disappear, what changes would occur on Earth? At the very moment the moon vanished, you on Earth might not immediately realize the gravity of the situation, but nocturnal animals would already sense that something was terribly wrong. 6 hours after the moon disappeared, night would fall. Yet, as you lay in bed, you would find it difficult to fall asleep. According to scientific studies, the moon's magnetic field has a significant influence on human mental activity. Without the moon's glow, the night sky would become far clearer, revealing countless stars invisible before. One day after the moon's disappearance, Earth's tides would begin to change. Both high and low tides would gradually weaken by more than 75%, severely disrupting marine ecosystems. Many oceanic species would start to vanish. After 3 days, without the moon's gravitational balance, Earth's axial tilt, once stable at 23.5 degrees, would begin to wobble. Weather patterns would grow increasingly chaotic. Violent storms and heavy rainfall would become frequent. After 1 week, Earth would become ever more unstable as the tidal system completely collapsed. Massive ocean waves, like modern tsunamis, would sweep across coastal cities worldwide. 1 month after the moon's disappearance, celestial bodies would begin to strike Earth more frequently, some the size of meteors, others large enough to cause mass extinctions. After 3 months, the once stable structure of Earth's crust would begin to fracture. Without the moon's gravitational counterbalance, stresses long accumulated within the crust would release violently, triggering global earthquakes and causing tectonic plates to shift. 6 months later, Earth's climate would undergo an unprecedented transformation. The rhythm of spring, summer, autumn, and winter would vanish. A new ice age would blanket the planet in frost. In just half a year, Earth would have become almost unrecognizable. It is precisely because of the moon's profound influence on Earth that scientists remain deeply fascinated by its existence. On July 21, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. After analyzing lunar soil samples brought back to Earth, scientists discovered evidence suggesting that the moon was likely born from a massive planetary collision. About 4.5 billion years ago, during the early days of the solar system, Earth's surface was a molten wasteland. Then, a Mars-sized planet named Theia struck Earth at tremendous speed. The collision ejected vast amounts of debris into space, which were later captured by Earth's gravity and gradually coalesced, forming the moon. Orbiting at an average distance of 384,000 kilometers, the moon has accompanied Earth for 4.5 billion years. It has witnessed Earth's days lengthen from 8 hours to 24, and has silently observed every era of transformation our planet has undergone. Today, it continues to drift away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. If you've ever observed the moon closely, you might have noticed that one side always faces Earth, a phenomenon known as tidal locking. So what lies on the far side of the moon? Images sent back by lunar probes reveal a landscape densely covered in impact craters, each one born from a deadly collision. In the perilous vastness of space, the moon has been quietly shielding us all along. If those same impacts had struck Earth instead, humanity might never have existed. Most of us may seem ordinary, but when you look back across the vast history of time, you realize to simply be alive is already the greatest miracle of all. I am the captain. I've been here all along.